Ecstasy is a Greek word which means standing out of oneself. It is used to describe a state of intense emotional excitement in which everything else except the emotion concerned is forgotten. The title is highly apt and suggestive because it is just such an emotional state that has been described in this lyric of two stanzas, each of 5 lines. In this lyric, the mood of the poetess is one of world weariness. She has enjoyed the various blessings of the world, say the beauties of nature, for too long a time. Her eyes are tired of such blessings, and so she wishes her lover to close her eyes with a kiss. Just as the eyes are dazzled and blindfolded by too strong a light, and one does not like to look at such a light, so also the poetess does no longer want to see the bright and beautiful scenes and sights of the world. Her lips are even tired of singing. She does not want to sing any longer, and so prays to her lover to silence her lips with a kiss. Even love is a painful burden for her, under which her soul is bent low like a beautiful flower under the burden of tiny raindrops. The freshness and originality of this remarkable image is worth noting. The soul is compared to a delicate and beautiful rose, and love to raindrops which burden a flower as the beloved soul is burdened by the burden of love. The lover should come and shelter her soul from this burden. Love is no doubt a bliss, but now she is tired even of this bliss. Nothing can be more welcome and sweet than the face of one's object of love, but the beauty of the lover's face is too dazzling for her soul, and she wants him to protect her even from the brightness of his own face. In other words, merely loving and the presence of the lover are no longer enough for her. Only the fulfillment of love can relieve her spiritual agony. She craves for such a fulfillment. She seeks this shelter or refuge from the intense pain that torments her soul. Who is the object of love of the poetess? He may be the divine, the eternal, the soul. The poem then becomes an expression of the soul's yearning for union with the divine. It is the shelter of divine that she seeks. It is only his embrace that she can find release from her agony. Such an interpretation is justified because, as we know, Sarojini was deeply influenced both by the Hindu myth of Radha and Krishna and the love philosophy of the